Imagine waking up to bills, debt, and no plan. Millions face financial stress daily. What if you could change that? Understanding finances is key to your future. It may seem challenging, but financial education empowers individuals to make informed choices. Let's simplify it. First, understand budgeting. A budget serves as your financial roadmap, tracking both income and expenses. Begin by listing your income sources, followed by your expenses. Next, differentiate needs and wants. Needs are essentials, such as housing and food, while wants are non-essential luxuries. Knowing the difference helps prioritize spending. With a budget in place, tackle debt. High-interest debt can slow progress. The debt snowball method can help. Start with the smallest debts to build momentum and confidence. Next, focus on saving. An emergency fund is crucial for security. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses to reduce financial stress. Investing is vital too. It makes your money work for you. Begin with retirement accounts, such as 401k or IRAs accounts. Remember, time in the market matters more than timing it. Imagine being debt-free with a solid emergency fund. You can travel, buy a home, or retire comfortably. In summary, financial education is essential. Budgeting tracks spending, the debt snowball eliminates debt. Saving provides security, while investing grows your wealth. Ready to take control of your finances? Start today by exploring financial tips. Subscribe for more insights.